Iba na po. And yes, laban na to, hindi lang to laban nung ka-age ko at mas matanda sa akin. Laban to ng ating mga Gen Z, ng mga bata ngayon. Those between 15, 16, 17 to 30. Laban nyo to kasi you will inherit. So some of you think we're wrong and it's better the direction we were taking. Some of you think we're right. Hindi yung topic natin tonight. Ang topic natin tonight simple lang, may cost. May cost na mag-decide kayong lumaban, may cost din para sabihin natin hindi lumaban. And if you ask me tonight, if we want a real independent Philippines, kung gusto nyo na every year sasabihin natin, ngayong taon na to, mas malaya tayo, kailangan tuloy-tuloy ang laban. Pag kumakanta po tayo ng ating national anthem, yung Lupang Hinirang, ang sinasabi po natin, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. So we're singing to ourselves for the world to hear, but we're singing it to ourselves. So when the athletes were so proud of wins the gold medal and they're hearing, kung willing ka nga mamatay para sa ating bansa, ano pa yung mag-training ka na napakahirap para umabot doon?